Hello everyone, this is Mani Sharma and in this video we shall watch the solution for question number 15 of exercise 12.3 chapter 12 class 10th maths NCERT book. Now let's see what is given in question number 15. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Now children, try to understand what is given in this particular question. Now see here, this particular part, see here, this is the quadrant of a circle. This is the quadrant of a circle. And if you take BC as diameter, then this particular part is the semicircle, which is shown here. This is the semicircle. Now you have to find the area of the shaded region. That means you have to find the area of this particular part. This particular part. You have to find the area of this particular part. Now how will you find? Children, you can find the area of this shaded region by subtracting the area of the segment enclosed by the chord BC, okay, from the area of the semicircle drawn on BC as diameter. Okay, so let us see how we can do it. To ease our problem, let us divide this into three parts. This is part 1, part 2, part 3. So children, actually to find the area of the shaded region, we have to subtract the area of the segment from the area of the semicircle. So first let us write it, then we shall try to find out the area of the segment. So area of the shaded region is equal to how much? Area of the semicircle minus area of the segment. Now you already know what is the semicircle and what is segment. Now how will you find the area of the segment? See here children, already it is given that the radius is 14 centimeter. So see here, this radius is 14 centimeter. Okay. So to find the area of the segment, you will directly find the area of the quadrant. Then you will subtract area of triangle from it. So part 1. First part, what you have to do is, you have to find the area of the segment. So area of the segment will be equal to area of the quadrant minus area of triangle. Now area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of triangle is half base into height. See children, here base is 14 and height is also equal to 14. So you have both base and height for the triangle. You have r to find the area of the sector. Okay. So area of the segment will be equal to, see, area of the quadrant means 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Okay. Minus area of the triangle, that is half. Your base is 14 as well as height is also 14. So you can cancel here, 2 sevens are 14. Here you are getting 14 into 7, 98. This part is 98. Now see here, 2 2s are 4 and 2 11s are 22. Again 2 1s are 2 7s are and 7 cancels. So here finally you get area of the segment equal to 11 into 14. So 11 into 14 means how much? 154. Okay. So simply 11 into 14 means 154 minus here 14 sevens are 98 square units. Square units. That will be equal to 56 square units. Or you can say centimeter square. Okay. Now part 2. Now in part 2 what you will find out? You will have to find out the area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle. Children, how will you find out the area of the semicircle? To find out the area of the semicircle, you should know the radius of that particular semicircle. Okay. So see here, this is a semicircle and you should know the radius of the semicircle. So radius of the semicircle will be equal to diameter by 2 and here the diameter is BC. Now if you see this triangle BAC, you know that angle A is 90 degree. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem here, and if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get PC square will be equal to 14 square plus 14 square, because your AB is equal to 14 and AC is also equal to 14. So AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. So BC square is equal to 14 square plus 14 square. So you can say that BC square is equal to 2 into 14 square, and therefore BC will be equal to 14 root 2. So if BC is equal to 14 root 2, that means diameter is equal to 14 root 2. So from here, children, you can find the radius of that semicircle so that you can find the area of the semicircle. Let's see part 3. In part 3, we shall find the area of the shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, we will first find the area of the semicircle. So what is the area of the semicircle? Area of the semicircle will be equal to pi r square by 2. So here 1 by 2 into pi is 22 by 7. And now children, how much is your r? Since BC is equal to 14 root 2, your r will become 14 root 2 by 2. So here half into pi into r square. That means 14 root 2 by 2 into 14 root 2 by 2. Okay. Now see 2 11s are 22, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. This root 2 and this root 2 will get cancelled with 1, 2, because root 2 into root 2 will give you 2 and 2 cancel, and again 2 7s are 14. Now you are left with 11 into 14 square units, or you can say centimeter square. So here area of the semicircle is equal to 154 centimeter square. Now children, area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is how much? Area of shaded region will be equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the segment. So see here, area of the segment we have got 56 units and area of the semicircle we have got 154 centimeter square. So you can write directly 154 centimeter square minus 56 centimeter square. So how much you will get? 98 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is equal to 98 centimeter square. That's all for today. We shall meet again with some more videos on different topics of standard 10th.